It's on, Lisbon. What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel Experiences Junkie. My name is Shravan and I am in Lisbon, Portugal. The reason for that funny intro is because this city has steep slopes, so better get on your comfy shoes. I got mine on and I'm moving up and down, side to side, like a roller coaster. So to start this trip, I started off at Bellum to visit this place called Tor de Bellum. It is a 16th century fortification next to the banks of the Tagus River. It costs about 6 years to get inside, but in my opinion, I don't feel it's worth it because the queue is pretty long, and I feel like there are better viewpoints in the city since the city is filled with a lot of miradors. I'm at Padra Theobmos. It's a monument of discoveries, 20th century tribute to the golden age of Portugal, the age of discoveries. So it depicts right now some of the most famous Portuguese explorers like Vasco da Gama, who discovered the sea route to India, and Pedro Alvarez, who discovered Brazil. I'm at Pasto de Belm, the birthplace of pastel de nata, the pilgrimage site for all the pastry lovers. I got myself one and I'm going to show you how to eat this thing. After all the sugar consumption from the custard pastries, it's time to burn the calories by climbing up the Mirador of São Pedro de Alcantara for some fantastic views over Lisbon. The walk takes only 10 minutes, but let me warn you, it is a pretty steep incline. While I was there, a musician was playing live music. It was a perfect balance with the stunning view and a great background music. I am at the Archaeological Museum of Carmo. It sits inside the convent of Carmo. In the 14th century, it was constructed and it was one of the historical churches in Lisbon. Unfortunately, in 1755, there was an earthquake that was struck and it destroyed this whole area. Currently, this convent is the headquarters of Portuguese Archaeological Association and it houses this beautiful museum. As you can see, I'm inside Out Lisbon. The best thing about this place is you can mix and match multiple cuisines in your meal. So I got chicken hot dog with Korean fried wings. After the meal, we decided to take a cab to Alfama. Once we reached there, we stopped by for a beverage at The Folks, which I highly recommend. Literally next to that, there's a pavement monument of Calçada Portuguesa, which is Portuguese cobblestone, in the image of a young Amalia Rodrigues, who is also known as the Queen of Fado. I'm at yet another Mirador, but this time in Alfama. This is an old historic neighborhood. Narrow winding streets, beautiful houses, definitely a no miss. Head down to Ros Square. There are a lot of charming cafes, bars and restaurants around. It's actually a very popular square for locals and tourists alike. Head down to Ginhinha do Carmo to try out the local Portuguese liquor made out of sour cherries.
For dinner, we decided to head down to Manna. It is a Middle Eastern restaurant with a twist. It is set up by three siblings who came together to create a unique haven for food lovers. To start off, we decided to try royal vegetable meze, which I think was a highlight, along with, for the main course, roasted eggplant feta cheese and tomato sauce, and a couple of chicken shawarma skewers.
So I'm at Confeitaria Nacional. It is founded in 1829. So to finish off this trip, I thought why not have some yummy tasting dessert. So they have a wide range of options, and I'm going with Bailey's cream cake. That's it from this Lisbon video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I did shooting it. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.